What's up, creators? Today we're pitting Leonardo AI, now backed by Canva, against the community-driven OpenArt AI. Which one's delivering the best art in 2025? Stick around, I've tested both so you don't have to. Leonardo AI is a sleek, feature-rich image generator offering photorealism, live canvas editing, in painting, animated motion, transparent PNGs, and powerful control tools, all with fast performance and multiple model options like Phoenix and Flux. OpenArt AI, on the other hand, is built around community, custom LoRa models, prompt remixing, and a creative gallery that's ideal for exploring ideas, collaborating, and remixing others' prompts. Leonardo AI. Free plan includes around 150 tokens day. Paid plans start at $10 month, rising to $48 month for unlimited tiers, with team pricing available. OpenArt AI. Paid plans from $14 month starter to $56 month pro. Leonardo AI. A Reddit user noted, even with quality or ultra, it spits out a white logo on a blue background, twisted anatomy. Another wrote, since Canva acquired it, filters ruin it, platform has changed a lot. A positive voice, the in paint mode is a great addition. Canvas editor allows fine tuning. OpenArt AI. While direct Reddit reviews were sparse, reviewers highlight its strength in prompt remixing, LoRa model sharing, and community learning as core strengths. So, which is better? Go with Leonardo AI if you want professional grade control, polished features like transparent PNGs and motion, and speedy, high quality outputs. Be ready for a steeper learning curve and occasional inconsistency, especially post Canva. Choose OpenArt AI if you love exploratory creativity, community prompts, LoRa experimentation, and building through remixing, great for learning and inspiration, less for precision. Ultimately, it depends on your creative process, precision and polish, or community-driven exploration, OpenArt. Why not keep both in your toolkit? If you found this video helpful, drop a suggestion in the comments and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.